Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your home office setup, the ErGear Standing-Up Desk Converter. This isn't just another desk accessory. It's a complete ergonomic upgrade designed to transform how one works, offering the flexibility to switch effortlessly between sitting and standing throughout the day. Right out of the box, the ErGear 35-inch large desk riser makes an impressive statement. Its robust build quality is immediately apparent, suggesting durability and stability, which are crucial for holding valuable equipment like dual monitors. Setting it up is surprisingly straightforward. One doesn't need to be a DIY expert to get this workstation ready. It arrives largely pre-assembled, requiring minimal effort to get it onto an existing desk and start using it. This ease of installation is a huge plus for anyone looking for an immediate productivity boost without the hassle. The core of this converter's appeal lies in its height-adjustable sit-stand functionality, powered by an ergonomic gas spring system. The transition from sitting to standing, and vice versa, is incredibly smooth and quiet. With just a gentle squeeze of the levers on either side, the desk glides up or down to one's desired height, locking securely into place. This seamless movement encourages more frequent posture changes, which is vital for combating the negative effects of prolonged sitting. For those who spend hours in front of a screen, this feature alone can be a game changer for energy levels and overall well-being. Measuring a generous 35 inches, this desk riser provides ample space for a true dual-monitor workstation. One can comfortably fit two large monitors, a laptop, and still have room for notebooks, a coffee mug, and other essentials. The surface is sturdy and doesn't wobble, even when fully extended, providing a stable platform for intense work sessions. Below the main surface, the removable keyboard tray is a thoughtful addition. It keeps the keyboard and mouse at an optimal ergonomic height, whether sitting or standing, and can be easily detached if one prefers to use the main surface for their input devices or needs extra space. This flexibility caters to different preferences and setups. The ergonomic design extends beyond just height adjustment. By allowing one to stand, it promotes better posture, reduces back pain, and can even boost focus and productivity. It's an investment in one's health and efficiency. For anyone working from home, or even in a traditional office setting, who feels the strain of static desk work, the ErGear Standing-Up Desk Converter offers a practical and effective solution. It's built to last, designed for comfort, and engineered for a more dynamic workday. This desk converter truly stands out as a superior choice for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace to an ergonomic sit-stand setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.